Thank you so much for coming to today's eye screening. We feel you need to see an eye doctor because when we tested your vision, we were unable to get you to see as well as most people can see. That means there's probably a problem with your vision, and that could be from cataract, which is a cause of poor vision, or it could be from other problems in the eye. The only way to know exactly what is wrong with your eyes and to treat it properly is for you to have a full eye exam, one more complete than what we did today. We are offering a free eye exam at the Wilmer Eye Institute at Johns Hopkins. I urge you to go because it's almost certain that we can help you see better or at least treat some of your problems. Please come. Thank you so much.